Hello Daad community, today I am talking about blockchain technology that allows the data to be stored and shared in a safe, secure and transparent manner. It can have various roles in e-commerce such as improving security and privacy. Blockchain can protect e-commerce transactions from fraud, hacking and identity theft by using the encryption and digital signatures. It can also give users more control over their personal data and preferences and reduce the risk of data breaches and leaks. Reducing costs and fees. Blockchain can eliminate the need for intermediaries such as banks, payment processors, and platforms that charge fees and commissions for facilitating the e-commerce transactions. It can also reduce the operational costs of an e-commerce businesses through automation, such as inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service. Enhancing transparency and trust. Blockchain can provide a verifiable and immutable record of e-commerce transactions from product origin to order delivery. It may also enable users to review and rate the products and services they purchase and reward them for their loyalty and feedback. It can increase the transparency and trust between the e-commerce businesses and consumers and improve the customer satisfaction and retention. There are some of the roles blockchain can play in e-commerce, as it can help e-commerce businesses and consumers enjoy more secure, efficient, and transparent online shopping experiences. Thanks for looking. If you are new, please subscribe and share Daad Academy and e-commerce master channel and ask questions in the comment section. In the next video, we will discuss how blockchain can innovate the e-commerce industry. Take care and bye-bye. See you in the next video.